All right. Ladies and gentlemen, when I bring them up on stage, I want you to give them a very nice, warm Singaporean welcome. Playing ASP Elizabeth Lee is Cheryl Wee. Playing Officer Hani Rahmat is Nadia Din. Playing Officer Tan Siu Lan is Daniela Xiao. And playing DSP Graham Fletcher is Paul Foster. There will be times you gotta make it or break it, don't revoke it, just take it. Never giving up to fight from darkness to light. Tell us, ASP Elizabeth Lee, maybe what y'all want to do before that. Let's not follow the script. It's always
no
forget about the
script lah.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Let's just pass the microphone up and down and, say hello to the fans. They've been waiting for quite a while. The weather's been very good.
Hello! Woo! We said hello! Thank you so much! How are you guys doing?
Yeah, they said hello!
Hello!
Yes, that's more like it.
Yes. Okay, let's do an individual introduction. I'm Inspector Elizabeth Lee and I'm here to enforce law and order because I see that today there's a lot of people and we're going to need a lot of help. Yeah, I'm Inspector Hani Rahmat and I'm going to catch you if you steal any wallet.
Hi, I'm Daniela Sia. I'm playing Tan Siu Lan. Yeah, do support our show. I hope you guys are having fun so far. It's about mata-mata, that's right.
Mata, exactly. I'm DSP Graham Fletcher and today we've got orders from Commissioner Percival. We're here to actually, have a little bit of fun, okay, but still do our job, obviously.
Okay, so it's that's going to be quite a bit of a challenge, but I think it's going to be fun doing your job and having fun at the same time. That's very few jobs actually give you that opportunity. Yeah,
exactly. Finding that balance is very important.
Yes, very, very true. So what we're going to do is perhaps maybe Paul, you want to tell us a little bit more about being the one of the few guys in the whole cast. Yeah, how's it been working with the three lovely ladies?
Actually, there's a lot of guys in the cast,
yeah.
But yes, to compete against these three lovely, beautiful girls here, very difficult. Very difficult.
What are you guys doing here?
Hey, hello!
What are you talking about?
This is Tua Chia, Sing Hok, and Aku from the Ang Hui Gang. Come check. Thank you.
Why are we here? Why are we here? This is my territory.
Yes,
Ang Hui territory. That's why we are here.
money.
Right, Agu.
Right. I hear there's a lot of media corp stars here. Some very pretty. Where?
What pretty? We're here to watch the race. What pretty? You see?
And then we're here to watch you. Make sure you don't do anything funny.
You watch us? We're watching you race. Wait, Lafayette.
No problem. Well, if you're gonna watch us race, I want you to at least go back a little bit. Maybe deal with these riff-raff people in the crowd. You want to take protection money, right? Are we gonna let that happen?
No
way.
Patrol. We are here and we're gonna start a patrol.
Yes.
These guys want to come out and hassle you for a while. Is that okay?
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Okay. Go.
And then later on, we're gonna prep to do our little race in our VW Beetle.
Yeah, but first, does the host want to talk to us first?
Yeah.
Actually,
I feel you're quite kind of out of place there.
Now we got a script to ask these Paikia fellas, no?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're gonna answer the questions I'm gonna ask,
lie.
but we try, yeah. So this, why is Ang Hui here? Who came up with this script, man? Why is Ang Hui here?
I need to find out who
Are
the
you
script
here
writer.
to create? Actually, you're here for who? To find who?
Oh no, we're here to watch the race.
Only to watch the race,
Yeah.
only. But serious, like what he said, right? What Paul said just now early on. You look more like you're here to create trouble,
We are, but we cannot tell everybody, right?
Yeah,
Us
but
here, nobody already later.
That's very true. But don't worry. Try to keep your trouble to a minimum. Try and
Trying
have.
to create some trouble. decrease of trouble, then we have work.
Right, okay, so without them, you all got no work.
No work.
But then when you all are racing, you see, the thing is, you all will be racing later on. When you all are racing, this is where these three rascals are going to come out and create trouble. How are you going to race and keep an eye on them at the same time? Not easy, right?
But we are very powerful police.
We are mata-mata. There is no problem handling anyone.
Okay,
no, we
so-
have a whistle as well.
The way I look at these guys, not easy, man. I tell you, they're gonna give you a tough time.
Yeah, right.
These
Huh?
three-
Okay,
see
you
about that,
obviously
huh?
have not been watching the show.
Tell us, your Ang Hui gang. How many? How big is your manpower, man? Your human resource department. How big?
Three. In NUS, three. But Ang Hui, times 10 of the police force.
Ang Hui times, but today only they sent three of y'all.
Yeah. There was no budget today.
No. Oh, okay. So they,
Yeah.
the rest of them, they decided to give Sunday off. Just send three of y'all here.
Or take leave, and
I tell you,
MCO.
your Ang Hui gang, either there's two things. Either they are very smart, or they really don't like the three of you, man.
Yeah, that's true lah.
We should have really send a whole group, send three people, and then how to create a bit difficult. But I really wish you all the best of luck. Okay, are you all going to be taking part in the race as well, Panyas?
We'll see how.
Also, we'll see how.
Probably, yes.
Okay.
We
Or are
will
y'all-
try
or are
not to
y'all-
let them.
Or are y'all gonna, go into the race instead of racing? Try and, create havoc on the race. I mean, we hope you don't. Just, let it run smoothly and don't run across the cars and let them roll over you and all. Huh?
This is where our three lovely police officers here
Okay,
will
will
take care of
okay.
law and order. Yes.
Okay,
so don't worry, everyone.
I think in
Yeah,
that
we
sense, okay, I feel safe already in that case. These three Paikia, no match one. Look at the three ladies. I mean, that confirm can, no problem. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? Aside from that, okay. I mean, back. Aside from in character, this series. Who knows the most about the series? I mean, it's already showing already. What is Mata Mata about in the next couple of episodes before we wrap up? What are we gonna expect as we go down the road watching the series on TV? What are some of the highlights?
Well, as Daniela said earlier, we're coming up to episode 6.
Okay.
And this is right after our lovely three girls here have been trained to become police officers. We had our first real historical case last week with the Maria Hertog riots, the racial riots back in the day, obviously. And now, obviously, the gangs start to come into play. A lot of characters are coming in now, so it starts to get a little bit more complex,
Right.
convoluted, and you'll see a lot of different levels now.
So there are surprises in store as we
Absolutely.
watching. I think it's going to be a very what you might call it. It's going to be a very exciting series as we keep watching the episodes as we progress, and I think we're going to be seeing a lot more of them in the series.
There's going to be a lot more historical cases.
Right.
So please do continue watching. It's a hotly bus riot. It's a chaotic riot. And the next episode 6, this coming Monday at 8 p.m. It's all about the gangsters.
That's tomorrow.
Yes, and they are very
Finally, after a long time. Yes, finally.
Finally, yeah.
So,
To build you up, right?
so we're going to get to see you guys on screen tomorrow as well.
8 p.m.
Looking
yeah.
forward indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Mata Mata!